Hi, welcome to my channel Creative IT Hacks. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Today we'll learn how to find words in MS Word. Ctrl+F is a time-saving keyboard shortcut in Microsoft Word, representing Find. There is a Find button in Home tab, but it takes a lots of time. Just click on keyboard, Ctrl+F and find whatever you want in your document. In Microsoft Word, the Ctrl+F keyboard shortcut is used for the Find function. When you press Ctrl+F, a search box typically appears, allowing you to search for specific words or phrases within the document. This feature is handy for quickly locating and navigating to specific content in a document. It makes your work more efficient, especially in lengthy documents, by allowing you to jump directly to the information you need. Instead of reading through the entire document, you can type in what you are looking for, and Word will show you where it is. Thanks for watching. If you are new on my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update.